We are a multidisciplinary team of professionals providing a comprehensive range of services for the successful commercialization and beyond of cutting-edge healthcare products. We are Medison Pharma. Growing numbers of the world's most innovative pharma companies see Medison as their strategic partner for commercializing their products in Israel.
We work together to meet unmet needs in an expanding range of therapeutic fields, bringing most innovative treatment to physicians and patients.
Medison provides individualized attention for every product, so its partners know they're always in good hands. Medison is the fastest growing and one of the 3 largest pharmaceutical companies in Israel.
Of course, we're very proud of that, but to say that we're in the business of commercialization doesn't tell the whole story.
Medison Ventures became an external R&D arm of our partners. We do scouting, research, and investments, starting from early to clinical stage opportunities.
Our people are creative innovators who think outside the box. They have developed a unique, holistic approach that sets us apart from the pack and takes us far beyond commercialization.
Medison, the home of winning life science partnerships.